Peace and blessings, fam. Today I am going to share with you how I crochet boho braids on thin hair with severe alopecia. Oh my gosh. Look at the before, and the after pictures. This style came out absolutely gorgeous. I am going to show you step by step how I accomplished this beautiful style. Can I really crochet boho braids on thin hair with alopecia? Well, as you can see, this is my client and she does have severe alopecia in the front, around her edges, and on her sides. And I am going to first start off by making a foundation braid or a perimeter braid. That is the braid that I'm going to create that's going to go all the way around the front of her hair. So as you can see here, I am starting that braid pattern and I am going to bring that braid all the way around from one side, around the front of her forehead, around to the other side. So that way I can have something to give her a hairline, because that's what she's going to need to make this style look absolutely natural, along with what? My custom closure. Yes, ladies, my custom closure is what's going to make this style look absolutely natural, where she's going to be able to wear a left side, a right side, or a middle part. Yes, and she's going to be able to do this and it's going to look like her natural scalp. So if you are interested in purchasing one of my custom closures or my custom frontals, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website and you can check out my frontals and my closures there. They are absolutely affordable, reusable, and so simple to use. Yes, they come pre-braided for crochet styles. Yes, pre-braided where it is easy as 1, 2, 3 to install. So again, as you can see, my client here is, of course, I moisturized and conditioned her hair with our hair growth butter. It's well hydrated. And again, you can tap the link in the description below. And you can also check out our hair growth products that we have on our website. So learning how to do crochet boho braids on thin hair with severe alopecia, it's not that hard, and it's something that you yourself can do at home. As with someone who has struggled with hair loss, I understand the challenges of finding a hairstyle that works. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create this beautiful, trendy boho crochet braid style. I'm going to share with you my tips and my tricks for achieving a stunning look that definitely will boost your confidence. Whether you have alopecia, hair loss, thinning hair, or you simply just want to try a new hairstyle, this video is definitely for you. So let's get started and learn how to crochet this boho braids on thin hair with severe alopecia. As you can see, her braid pattern is pretty much complete. I did some perimeter braids going around the front as I described before, and then the middle where she does have her hair is more thicker, I just did those braids going in a circle. So basically a beehive braid pattern, if you are familiar with that. Crocheting boho braids on thin hair with severe alopecia might seem like it's a mission that's impossible, but I'm here to show you that it's not only doable, but also incredibly empowering. Yes, individuals who are struggling with thin hair or alopecia often find themselves limited to the styling options, feeling like they're stuck with the same old look that they don't really like and that don't make them feel confident or beautiful. So as you can see, this is the anti-slip cap that I'm going to be using. And this is going to also prevent any slipping, sliding, or shifting of her crochet braids when they are in. And oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this came out. Look at this part. It is absolutely gorgeous. And as I stated before, she's going to be able to wear that left side part, a right side part, and also a middle part. And I'm going to show you the other side so you can see how she can flip it over and wear it on this side. Look how gorgeous this style is. Look how beautiful the color came out. Just absolutely gorgeous. So just know that there is help if you do have severe hair loss or if you do have hair thinning. As you can see, this is the other side, and she can also wear that middle part. Look at that middle part, and look how natural it looks in the front. If you have had alopecia or thinning hair and you've had different experiences, please share them below. I would love to hear some of your comments. Please share some of your stories. Please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to tap that bell so that you can get notifications when I upload new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Look how natural this looks in the front. We went from this to this. Yes. Those are the after and the before pictures. Look at that before. No one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss. And she can wear this style from 4 to 6 weeks with no issues and no problems. Look at those edges. She now has edges in the front and around the sides. This is another client who also has some severe hair loss at the top and in the front. And I also want to show and share with you this beautiful style. Look how this came out. This is her after pictures of the style that we created. This came out absolutely gorgeous as well. Continue to keep watching so you can see how I achieved this beautiful style. Again, tap the link in the description below. That will take you to my website so that you can see all the hair growth products that we have, my custom closures, and my custom frontals that I have, as well as our hair growth products. Again, this is our G&G. G&G stands for grandmother and granddaughters. Again, continue to keep watching to the end and see how this beautiful style was created.